out to move it. When I came out to move it, and I'm personally a witness saying that she was here.
And I went to go knock on the door and they weren't answering. Me, Salamaya.
They should give you a bond as soon as they get there.
Okay.
And then, well, Mom already called.
I already called.
Incident, neighbor dispute, criminal mischief, and warrantless arrest. Date the 5th of October 2025. Location Palm Beach County, Florida. Agency Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. A verbal dispute over a vehicle parked in a private driveway escalated to keying of the vehicle, resulting in the arrest of a neighbor on a criminal mischief charge under Florida law.
Hello. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. All right, what's going on?
So, this lady just vandalized his car.
So
what lady?
Our neighbor, she doesn't like when we park here, but we came very late last night from the bar, so we just parked there, but that still doesn't give her the right. So this morning, she came banging on our door saying to move the car or she's going to burn it down. And when we came out, her and her daughter were standing right here.
Through my blind, because I was, I had a nightgown on. I had to get shorts and my bra and run out. And she says, I'm going to burn this motherfucking car and I'm gonna destroy it, and you can see, officer, look, this is freshly done. This is freshly done. Look at the
I can see it.
Yeah, she said that she was gonna
I don't live
burn
here.
it down.
I just came.
They just came
This is your vehicle?
Yeah, because my grandson had a big party. They all went out. They only went and went
in his car, and it was not like that yesterday.
No, and you can see it just look.
It's fresh. It's freshly peeled. And then she said she was gonna burn it down, and we need to move the car.
This is freshly done. I'm sorry, but that's freshly done.
Where does she live?
Right
she
here.
lives right here.
And you guys live?
We live right
over
there.
Here.
But
okay. Is this her driveway though?
Well, it is.
Did she ask you guys to move it previously?
No. She just came banging on the door saying, "Move the. I'm gonna burn this shit down." And then when we come out,
and then the key, and then it was already keyed at that point.
It was already keyed.
When I came out to move it, and I'm personally a witness saying that she was here. When I moved it, and then I said, "Oh my gosh!"
Right here, and that's very fresh, and it was not like that yesterday when we got in it.
Yeah, I'm looking at the cameras now.
Well, that's their cameras. They're not gonna give us their cameras.
Yeah.
Or the neighbor right there, he got a ring camera over there.
Can you see if we can use this camera footage?
I don't think his cameras work, Mom, because the other day I asked him and he said they don't work.
All right, just give me 1 second, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Hi, how are you?
Alright, so for the altercation that happened, I came outside this morning to take my brother to work. And of course the car's in our way.
Okay, is this your car?
Yeah, this is my car.
Okay.
So I was gonna go take my brother to work, and I went to go knock on the door and they weren't answering. And so I was standing out there for 30 minutes waiting for them to open the door. So I had to go back inside, call my aunt to come pick up my brother because he was late. And then they all came outside, finally, and they started accusing me of keying their car when I did it. And there was people already here from like 4 in the morning outside in front of that car.
I'm sorry, say that again?
There was people last night in front of the car.
A part of like their group or?
It was at 4 in the morning.
Okay, I mean, I see if there's cameras.
Yeah, these don't work.
They don't work at all. So this is her vehicle. She said that she was going to pick up her brother earlier this morning, and the car was already parked. It's been parked there all night, so she wasn't able to get out. So that's when she said that she went over there to go tell them to move their car, and she was saying that she did not key the car, but she said last night there was a group of people that were out here congregating.
This one works. This one where your car is in the back, and this one.
Let me see.
Can I go through?
Is this like a common like occurrence with your neighbors? Like, do you guys have any types of issues?
This is probably like the third time they've parked behind my car, and I've told them multiple times to please move their car. And I've even I tried to call towing companies because they can't park here. We already told them. And then that's pretty much it. I never have any issues with my neighbors.
Can I just get a statement from you real quick, just regarding that? That it wasn't you that keyed the car, or just tell me everything. Just raise your right hand for me. All right.
Sorry.
No, it's all right. Do you swear that you're going to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Okay.
Okay. So from the beginning, I came outside to take my brother to work. Obviously, the car was behind me. So, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
So I couldn't get out, so I went and I knocked on the door, and I knocked there for multiple times, and for 30 minutes, no one came outside. And finally, someone did come outside, but my brother had to leave with his aunt because he was late to work. And then they came outside. All of them came outside, and they started accusing us of keying the car, which we didn't. There was multiple people outside last night from 4 in the morning in front of the car. And then I just get blamed for something that I didn't do. And that's what happened.
Okay. Alright, just give me a second. I'll probably back ask you a couple more questions, okay? Who's the owner of the vehicle? Alright, can I just speak to you over here real quick? Just away from everybody. Alright, so where'd you guys go last night?
So we just went out to a restaurant, out to eat, and then we just went downtown.
She said bar, so what were you driving everybody last night?
No.
So was your car here all night long?
The thing was, we went in a different car. We went in a Tesla, and then I just left my car here because everybody was just...
So when you guys all went out last night, you guys were all, like, the car was left here all night long?
Yeah, because there was no other spot. I didn't want to leave it in the middle of the road. There was no spot because of this car, and so they just told me, I don't ever come here. This is my first time ever coming here. And then I just left it here. They were like, oh yeah, it would be fine. I don't know what they had going on. And so I just left it here. We came back, I left it there. I know it wasn't there last night. And then, yeah, so I woke up. They were telling me my car was scratched up, and then that's where we're at right now.
Okay, so just to clarify what you just said, I just want to simplify this. The car was here all night long, okay? So what time did you park there?
I would say around 11.
11 at night?
Yeah.
Okay, and then from there, that's when you guys went out to the restaurant?
Mm-hmm.
What restaurant?
It was in Clematis. It was, man, I forgot what it's called, but it's called, no, it's not called Duffy's. It's near Clematis Social. It's next to it. They just sell burgers, wings, every type of stuff.
Nice. Okay, and how'd you guys get there?
We went in the Tesla.
Who's Tesla?
I don't know. They're not here right now, but they were here earlier.
Okay, and then from there, what time did you guys come back here?
We came back, I would say around 2 a.m.
Came back around 2 a.m.?
Yeah. It was still
As
here.
to your knowledge, there was no scratches or anything on the car?
Nothing. I remember going into the car. I put my wallet away in the car. I would have definitely noticed.
Do you
if it was there.
frequently come here? This is your first time coming here?
Yes.
Okay. So what's the relation?
It's a friend's birthday. I just wanted to come visit. I just wanted to spend the night with him, you know.
Okay, who's the friend?
It's him, the
one
with
shirtless?
short hair. Yeah.
Okay. So you have no relation to the female, any of the females? These are just like friends,
Yeah,
right?
They're just friends.
All right. So it's your first time coming here last night. Came here at 11 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
When you guys got into a Tesla.
Yeah.
Another friend, I'm assuming.
Mm-hmm.
She drove you guys, or you guys went out to Clematis Street, went to a restaurant, then went out to the bar, came back around 2 a.m. And then at what time did this start happening? Like, what time did you know that somebody, or what time did you realize that your car was keyed?
What I'm getting from them is it was around probably 9 that they
9
noticed it. They're saying the lady came knocking on the door, and then they said
The lady, the neighbor over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then they said that to move the car. Then she came out. She came to look at the car, and then she
Now,
said
can I
that
ask you a
there's something
question?
there.
At 9 o'clock, how come nobody came out to move the car when she was asking? Because that's her vehicle.
Yeah, I get that. Well, they just let me know like 30 minutes after, and then when I came out, it was already there. So like, that's when we took action after that, and then that's where we're at now.
Okay.
But she's saying that I'm going off of what she said. She said that as soon as she came out to just look at the cars, they were standing right there by where their officers are, and the scratches were already there. So it's not like she really gave us any chance or anything to really move the car.
And then it was at that point you discovered that it was Keith.
Yeah, and then she said she was talking about, if you don't move the car, we're gonna burn it down, like a bunch of stuff.
Let me just have you guys all stand on your side of the property, please. Just stand up over here, please.
They're not trying to pressure this a little bit.
Yeah.
Not anything crazy. Did they say they saw her by the car?
What's that?
Did they say they saw her by the car?
Yes.
What did they see?
They just said that they saw her standing near the car, right here.
Hello.
Hey. Alright, Janet, I need you to be completely honest with me, okay?
Okay.
So, they're saying that at 9 a.m., approximately around 9 a.m. this morning, that you knocked on their door, right? To ask them to move the car.
Was that 10?
10 o'clock, alright. So, were you saying that you wanted to burn the car down?
No.
Were you frustrated
No.
at all?
I did not say that.
Because-
at all. I'm being completely honest. I did not say that. I knocked on their door. I said, "Please come outside, move your car. This is not the first time they have their car there."
Do these cameras have audio?
That doesn't. These don't work. Only this one works. This one doesn't have audio.
Okay, because those scratch marks on that vehicle look extremely fresh. All right, and a lot of the way this is leading towards, especially with your car being right there, and the way that they were explaining it, it just doesn't look good, and what you're saying kind of doesn't add up. Okay, so I need you to be honest with me. All right,
I can go.
you keep the car.
I can go.
Okay, thank you.
What's gonna happen? You're gonna arrest me?
Well, that's a vandalism charge, so turn around.
Oh, Mom! I'm getting arrested. Please tell them I am.
Charge Section 806, 131A68, Charge Criminal Mischief, Florida Statute Section 806, 131A66N, Section 806.13 requires proof of willful and malicious injury or damage to personal property of another. Damage to vehicle paint qualifies as personal property damage under this statute. Grading thresholds, Section 806, 131B. Under $200 second-degree misdemeanor max 60 days, $500 fine, $200 $1,000, first-degree misdemeanor max 1 year, et nul fine over et nul, third-degree felony max 5 years, $5,000 fine. Lesson damage assessment by a certified appraiser determines the charge grade. Officers cannot grade the offense at the scene. Formal appraisal is required to support a felony filing.
Because I keyed the car, apparently. Okay, I guess. Are you guys happy now?
Hey, guys, knock it off. Knock it off.
Shut up!
Hey, knock it off.
Enough! Enough! Be a sore winner.
No need for that. No.
I never got like
Alright, give me 1 second.
I'm gonna give you guys one warning. This shit keeps up, we'll come back and take everybody to jail, or she can go to jail now for disturbing the peace and causing a ruckus out here.
inside.
Good. Everybody that's not involved in this can go inside because we're not dealing with it. He's the victim. Yep, you can go back inside on your property. He's in. So you guys start causing issues, we'll take care of it.
I'm sorry about that, officer.
Alright. Take a seat. Yeah. Alright. Just lean back. It's gonna be a little uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Just face your head that way for me, please.
Oh, this is weird, but can you pull my head down a little bit?
Yeah.
Because, thank you.
Good?
Yeah, good.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Alright, just watch your arm, okay?
You want to press charges?
Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Alright. You're all finished?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go start inputting that stuff into the ball.
So listen, Grandma. Real quick.
We're not going to mess with them. We're not going to
That's
tell them
the
nothing.
speech I'm gonna
I already told my
Now we're done.
girls.
Nice
Nothing
resolve.
is done. Yes.
No chirping,
Nothing,
no
nothing,
nothing.
nothing.
What about them, though? What about them?
They're not allowed to talk.
They're not allowed to
getting
talk
arrested,
to us.
right?
Okay,
They're being
okay,
punished.
okay.
Stay away from you. If they
We
just
are.
started back up again, you call us.
Okay,
Hopefully we don't
But
have to
they're
call
gonna leave
you.
you alone. She doesn't like this outcome.
Okay,
Right?
okay.
And you guys leave her.
Yes, we are.
And
Yeah.
we're gonna park in our own spaces.
Yes,
and
we
that'll
are.
hopefully avoid it.
Tell him to move the car in the
Yeah,
grass.
he was
or
waiting
behind
for
me.
us. He's okay.
Okay.
But we're resolved. We
Thank
came
you
to
so
a good
much.
conclusion. You guys gave us the information we needed to go forward, and we're
Thank you
done.
guys
We're going to
for doing
squash
your
it.
job.
Thank you
I
for doing your
appreciate
great
it.
job. Thank you,
Thanks,
officer.
guys. Hey, are you Mom?
Yeah.
You want to talk to her before she goes? She's gonna get booked in to misdemeanor, so you can come bail her out in a couple hours. Hours.
I already called up on it. I just need to have that.
And don't talk to them. Just come right over to my office.
About to jump us.
I just never got in trouble before. We're never gonna trouble before.
It's a misdemeanor. It's a minor crime.
Okay.
They should give you a bond as soon as they get there.
Okay.
And then Mom already called.
I already called. Your DA is coming.
So we're talking a couple
if
hours.
I call you, put my phone on ringer and then tell my boyfriend. What's that? It's 0516. Is my
Do you have Mom's number?
I don't have my number.
That's just my niece. That's just my
I don't have
So we're gonna get down there to get that process started. Typically, we look at about 3 hours. Like I said, if you don't hear,
But I don't know. Did they have proof?
yeah, she can tell you. About it.
I said that I did it.
It's a little thing. It's okay. All right.
We never, you know
So
that
I just told them, and we'll tell you the same thing. We're done. Stay away from each other.
We never have a problem. I've been living here for 4 years.
Yeah.
I'm always stay away from those people because they always have problem with everybody, and we are the only ones. We never have problem, but they want trouble with us because they always park on our property.
This
and
is a
we've
little
been-
thing that blew out of proportion.
Yes, and we
Both
always
people
tell-
made some mistakes, but unfortunately, this is the mistake that we're at now. So I told them not to talk to you and not to park in your spaces, and I'm telling you the same thing. Don't talk to them. We're gonna leave it here where it is.
Key lesson: a single verbal warning before arresting for a misdemeanor breach of peace in a residential setting is advisable. Deputies complied with this standard. Sentencing, restitution, and civil remedies. Florida Statute 775.089 requires courts to order full restitution to the victim for criminal mischief. Restitution is based on actual repair cost, not diminished market value. Florida Statute 948.08, first-time misdemeanor offenders may qualify for pretrial diversion. Successful completion, including restitution and community service, results in dismissal. A confession does not preclude diversion eligibility. Civil exposure. The victim retains an independent tort claim for intentional property damage. With a confession on record, liability is near certain under the preponderance of evidence standard.